Hey guys, Chris from Godsend Wraps here, and welcome back to another video. This week, we have a Subaru STI with a Varis body kit and a carbon fiber splitter and side skirts and diffuser. This car is currently white, it's a pearl white, and the body kit is right now white. And it's gonna be wrapped in Dusk Sky by FlexiShield. So Dusk Sky by FlexiShield is a colored PPF. It is a deep metallic. It's sort of a light blue, silvery kind of color. I'm planning on this wrap taking about 2 weeks. I'm hoping it'll either be done faster or it could take a little longer, but I'm really hoping on 2 weeks. I'm not going to be recording any of the disassembly because that's just going to be a long drawn out process, and I'm going to get frustrated enough without having it recorded. And so I'm just going to do that off camera, and the video is going to start with me wrapping the first panel. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I know this is going to be a long project and it's going to take me a while to record and then put out, but I think it'll be worth it. I think it's going to come out absolutely beautiful. So yeah, enjoy the compilation.
I never see the lights out, they got me overdrive. Fancy on a fast car, this is how you make me feel. Don't stress me now, I got the other dose, I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, you say it's killing me. I wish I could fall asleep, the problem is opened up.